Hello everyone and welcome to TechFixFlix. In this tutorial we will install Google Chrome, replacing Microsoft Edge as the default internet browser. Whilst the purpose of this tutorial is to replace Microsoft Edge, we actually start by loading Edge in order to navigate to the installation page for Google Chrome. So click the Edge icon to begin. Microsoft Edge now loads. Clicking the Maximize icon, which is located in the upper right corner, will expand the window as fully as possible. Click in the address bar and type google.com/Chrome and press the Enter key, which will take you to the download page for Google Chrome, where clicking the Download Chrome button will advance you to the terms and conditions for use of the application. As ever, your acceptance is required in order to use Chrome. You can choose to deselect the option to send usage statistics to Google if you are conscious of your privacy. You are now in a position to accept and install. Once you click the Accept option, a download box appears in the lower part of the screen, and a message will appear thanking you for downloading Chrome. You could save the installer to run at a later date, but in this instance we will run it immediately. User account control will then prompt you to confirm your intention to install Chrome. As this is exactly what we are doing, you can safely click Yes to proceed. A progress bar will appear with a blue line scrolling from left to right indicating the progress of the installation. Once the progress bar has fully completed, Chrome is successfully installed and a welcome window appears. This window can be maximised using the appropriate icon in the upper right. The welcome screen makes two suggestions, both of which we will follow. The first is to set Google Chrome as the default browser for the system. Whilst we have successfully installed Chrome, Microsoft Edge remains the default browser for the system, and any web links will still open in Edge unless the default is altered. A shortcut on the Chrome welcome screen immediately opens Windows settings. Microsoft is naturally keen for you to continue using its product, and this prompt encourages you to try it out. However, as the purpose of this tutorial is to install Google Chrome, we will select Switch anyway. Having successfully made the change, Google Chrome replaces Microsoft Edge as your default browser. The Settings app can now be closed using the icon in the upper right corner. Given the frequency with which you will use a web browser, pinning its icon to the taskbar will save time frequently in the future. Right-click the Chrome icon on the taskbar and select the option Pin to Taskbar from the menu which appears. At this point, the system has two browsers installed and running. Unlike antivirus packages, which we will see in the next tutorial, it is entirely possible to have multiple browsers running simultaneously on a system. Indeed, some believe it is good practice to use one browser for banking or shopping and another for general web surfing. However, for simplicity, we will remove shortcuts to Edge from the taskbar by right-clicking the Edge icon and selecting the option to unpin from taskbar. Don't forget that your previous action using Edge was to install Chrome, and therefore your open Edge window will still be thanking you for downloading Chrome. Having unpinned Edge from the taskbar, you may be wondering why the icon has not disappeared. This is because Edge is still running, as evidenced by the small blue bar beneath the icon. Once you have closed down the final open window, the Edge shortcut will no longer appear on the taskbar. Note this does not remove Edge from the system, and that the shortcut can be replaced at any time. You can move the Chrome icon from its current position on the taskbar by clicking and dragging to the desired position. In this instance, it has been moved 3 positions to the left. Closing down Chrome reveals that its icon has been added to the desktop, and you can leave it there if you prefer. However, this effectively duplicates the shortcut already available through the taskbar, and, for a cleaner look, it may be preferable not to pin shortcuts to the desktop. To remove the desktop shortcut, right-click on it and, whilst holding the Shift key, select the option to delete permanently to remove the shortcut only. Again, the application remains installed and can be run using the taskbar shortcut. When you relaunch Chrome by clicking on its icon, you will be presented with the opportunity to sign in. Signing in links data and preferences across devices, streamlining the experience of using more than one platform. You are invited to log into a Google account with your username and password. If you have yet to set up a Google account, we have created a tutorial video to guide you through the setup process. In that tutorial, we created a Gmail account, the details of which we have entered in the email field of the sign-in screen. We also created a password, which we will enter here. A pop-up appears asking to confirm our understanding that sync has been turned on. This also lists the features of sync, including harmonization of bookmarks, history, and passwords across your devices. You are now signed in, as evidenced by the personalized icon in the upper right corner, which we created as part of the account setup process. Whilst we're here, let's look at how to update Google Chrome. Keeping your browser up to date ensures that you receive the latest security patches and feature upgrades. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right. Then drop down to the Help section and move your mouse toward the right pointing arrow. A further menu appears from which you should select About Google Chrome. Here we see that Chrome is checking for updates. If none are found, you will be told that Chrome is up to date. If not, you will see that Chrome is updating, with a percentage indicator advising as to progress. Occasionally, Chrome is unable to progress as a consequence of activities elsewhere in the system. If this is the case, try again at a later opportunity. Once the updating process is complete, Chrome requires a relaunch, which you can perform by clicking on the appropriate button. Chrome relaunches and advises that it is up to date. This particular update was a substantial one, and we are now ready to put it to the test by surfing the web. Of course, there are more choices in the browser market, and in our next tutorial, we will look at 2 significant rivals on the Windows platform as we install Firefox and Opera. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the TechFixFlix YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is, of course, entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. Until your next Tech Fix, goodbye.